Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to join Excel files in ArcGIS. We'll cover everything from preparing your data to successfully integrating it into your geographic information system. This guide will help you combine tabular information from an Excel spreadsheet with spatial features in ArcGIS, enhancing your maps with rich, detailed attributes. Let's get started on this easy guide to powerful data integration. Before bringing your Excel data into ArcGIS, proper preparation is crucial. Make sure your spreadsheet has a header row with unique, clear field names, avoiding spaces or special characters. Eliminate any empty rows or columns that could cause issues. Most importantly, identify a common field, such as a unique ID, present in both your Excel table and your ArcGIS layer. Save your file as an XLSX or CSV for best compatibility. Now, let's add your data to ArcGIS Pro. First, add your prepared Excel table to your project. Next, right-click on the spatial layer you wish to join the Excel data to and select Joins and Relates, then add Join. You will then specify the common field from your spatial layer and the corresponding field from your Excel table. ArcGIS Pro will guide you through the process, allowing you to validate the join before finalizing it. After performing the join, it's essential to verify the results. Open the attribute table of your joined layer and inspect the newly added fields from your Excel data. Look for any null values or unexpected data that might indicate an issue with the join. To make the join permanent, export the joined layer to a new feature class. Finally, remember to save your ArcGIS Pro project to preserve all your hard work and new data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.